You could be sabotaging your deal with just one word, and no one talks about it. It's not sorry, it's not maybe, it's just. Listen to the difference. I just wanted to follow up. I just need a few minutes of your time. I just think this could work. Sounds polite, right? Wrong. It sounds small. Every time you say just, you shrink your authority. Stanford linguists call it a permission-seeking word. It's the verbal equivalent of crouching in a boardroom. Real life. A Nigerian freelancer landed 4x more responses after removing just from her cold emails. She went from sounding like a pleader to a partner. Kill the just. Say it like this instead. I'm following up. Let's schedule 15 minutes to explore options. Here's what will move the deal forward. You're not begging, you're building. Use language that commands respect, not sympathy. Your words shape your price. Every sentence is a signal. Have you been secretly sabotaging your value with weak language? Comment no more just if you're ready to speak powerfully. Tag a friend who needs this reminder. Follow for more psychology-backed negotiation rewires from a real deal maker.